Welcome aboard. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through a oversized pontoon boat that is great for the lake. This is a 270 Intrigue by Premier, so it's a 27-foot boat with a 400 horsepower V10 and a 20-person capacity. Up here in the bow, you will have tons of options like your wireless phone chargers in your cup holder components, nice U-shape with a removable bow filler cushion. To remove it, just pull it up. You can pivot it around and you have access to your bow, and then to put it back in, just the reverse. Pick it up, spin it, push it back, and lock it in. Very simple. One person can do it. You can block your kids in, or when it comes time to take it off, just move it off the dock. You'll have a nice in-floor storage system here, and one of my favorite features on board is your integrated trash can. You can access it from your front seat and have a little trash can so anybody on board can use it. Here at the helm, you will have two oversized standard helm chairs on board with some bolsters. You'll have audio controls by JL on the side of the helm station. It's perfect for anybody on board can come up and change their area and change your sound without affecting the captain or getting him distracted. Now for the helm station for the captain, you're going to have a very well equipped. You're going to have switching panels on the sides of the helm, wireless phone charger, a very large SIM-rad for the center, and even on the steering wheel, you're going to have nice steering wheel controls to turn different functions on, change your stereo on board. So we move back, you'll see our very good oversized bimini with power option standard. And here in the back with the front chargers, you'll have them in the rear too. So you have wireless chargers right here in this little black pad, as well in the side where you have these little cubbies that you can put your phones in. So multiple options to charge phones and keep everyone fueled up on the go. Here in the back, we do have a shot of this brand new Mercury V10 400 horsepower. This is going to propel this boat to over 50 miles an hour. That's efficiency and speed that you used to not be able to get until you got twin motors, but now you can get it out of a single outboard. I'd love to show you this boat in person, so please give me a call today and set up your appointment to see it.